Well, today's charges are a step toward the justice that Breonna Taylor's family members and supporters have been demanding.
WDRB Stefan Johnson talked to them about why they are not surprised about today's charges. Stefan?
Breonna Taylor's family and her attorneys say this has been in the process for 2 years. It's been part of a 2-year journey, and on Thursday morning, a phone call from the nation's capital provided some of the justice they've been waiting for.
Earlier today, I spoke with the family of Breonna Taylor. This morning, they were informed that the Justice Department has charged 4 current and former Louisville Metro Police Department officers with federal crimes related to Ms. Taylor's death.
I can't think of a Justice Department being discommitted to civil rights since Robert Kennedy and the civil rights movement with Martin Luther King and John Lewis. So this is a historic day on every level.
Shortly after the indictments and arrests were announced, Breonna Taylor's mother, family members, and attorneys held a press conference at Jefferson Square Park in downtown Louisville. Just like they've done throughout the protest, a large group of supporters showed up to hear what Taylor's mother had to say. Although the mood was very celebratory from beginning to end, there was also a lot of emotion, especially from Breonna Taylor's mother, Tamika Palmer, who had a pretty strong message for Attorney General Daniel Cameron.
You don't deserve to be where you are, and you need to go. And if we don't continue to eat him, one of y'all's on the menu next. He was dead wrong.
Yes, dead wrong.
It didn't start with him, but he had the right to do the right thing, and he chose not to.
We've been saying that officers should be held accountable for Breonna Taylor's murder. And today is the first day towards getting that justice.
Tamika Palmer says she's waited 874 days for this day for justice. Meanwhile, LMPD Police Chief Erica Shields released a statement today saying she's in the process of terminating Sergeant Cal Meany and Officer Kelly Goodlid. With photographer Jeff Gordon, I'm Stefan Johnson, WDRB News.
Stefan, thank you. Louisville Mayor Greg Fisher is responding to today's federal charges. His statement reads in part, "While we cannot reverse Breonna Taylor's tragic death, we can and must continue to pursue justice for her. I deeply appreciate the hard work of the federal government to tirelessly pursue this case. And while I know some may feel that this process has taken too long, as I have said from the beginning, there can be no shortcuts to due process, no shortcuts to justice."